Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I know I've been away for a very long time, but I'm back now. And so today's video is going to be me opening up some new goodies and sharing them with you. All of the goodies that I will be opening up, I will be doing reviews on them in the next couple of weeks, so please stay tuned. So I've got my first package, and this was from Amazon. And might I add that Amazon has delivered very efficiently, and it got to me in less than a week, so I was very impressed. So I'm going to take my Stanley knife and I'm going to cut it open. Yeah! Okay, so the first thing that's in my package is these pretty cool eyeshadow shields. So I'm gonna open one up and show you what it looks like. One side's got a sticky tab that you can open. So let me show you. You open that part there. Can I? Yeah. And basically it sticks onto the underneath of the eye. And it allows perfect shape for your eyeshadow. Ooh, quite sticky. Love it. Okay, now for the next package. Oh wait, I didn't tell you how many were in here. There was 1,
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
So in this little baggie, there was 10 eyeshadow shields. So I think I got like about 100 in here. Okay, so the next thing that's in my package is this little goodie, which is a box of professional brushes by Jessup Beauty. And I'm gonna open it. Oh, I thought this was a smudge in the box. It's an eyeshadow brush and powder. I thought it was dust, traditionally handcrafted. It's from Hong Kong. So this is how it opens up. Comes with a little goodie here, and then here they are. We've got these. I'm gonna open them out of the plastics. If that's okay, tell me. I open them out of the plastics. They feel so nice. Oh, I can't wait. I cannot wait. These are so cool. So there you have it. So the eyeshadow shields were $10, and these Jessup brushes was $16. Were $16, and Amazon charged me $22 for shipping. But worth it. Can you see this one on the table? My next unboxing is this box from Takealot, and I'm so excited. Okay, and the biggest thing in this box that I wanted to try is this here, which is a facial steamer, which helps you to unblock your pores and to get some good skin. So the next item in my box is this here, the Boya BYM1, a lavalier microphone, which I've been dying to get so that I can improve the audio quality of my videos. I'm so excited to try this out. I've been struggling to get good audio quality, and so I had to go and get this. So in the next video, let's hope you'll receive good quality sound with my videos using this guy big box, but only 2 things inside. Okay, put you there, and my last and final unpackaging, which I really could not wait the whole week. I had it with me the whole week and I couldn't wait to open it up. Is this package from the beauty company. So I ordered some brushes, some Morphe brushes from the beauty company, and they were so good to give me a little more goodies. And they asked me to do some reviews on them. So I am going to open it up and see what it is that they have given me. First of all, it's this goodie here, which is my Morphe brushes, and I'm so excited to use them. I'm definitely going to do a review on these. I'm going to show you how to use them and get your eyeshadow and makeup done using these brushes. So stay tuned for that one. Then I got this little guy. So let me just open this up. I got this little cute little fuzzy thing. It looks like a Smurf. If a Smurf was made out of something, it would be this. This is a velvet facial sponge, or makeup sponge rather. And it's so furry and soft. So I'll be doing a review on this to see how it applies your foundation and the rest of your makeup. And then they sent me these. Okay, so I haven't opened them yet, but I'm going to right now. This is some glitter, and it's the beauty company Fairy Dust. I got this in a silver, and I got this in a pink. And she also sent me the glitter primer. I just want to take it out of the box. First time I'm taking it out. This glitter primer and these 2 little guys here. Then I got another little glitter eyeshadow. This here, and it's like a copperish gold bronze color. Looks very nice, and I will do a review on this soon. Hey, why aren't you getting inside? Go back. No, this is the wrong box, that's why. Silly me. And last, this is an eyeshadow palette that was sent to me by the beauty company, and I have not opened it. So I'm doing it right now. Oh, that's not so excited. Okay, so look what we have. We've got Feeble eyeshadow. So take 2. We have Febble. Febble eyeshadow Eternal Charm. Let's look at this. Ooh, this looks nice. It's got some nice natural neutral colors in here that I can't wait to try. I'm dying to test one of them. It feels so soft. Let's try it out. Oh my god! Look at that! I have to try another. Oh my god! It's so creamy and soft. I definitely can't wait to try this. I just want to say thank you so much to the beauty company for sending me all these goodies. I'm definitely going to be trying them soon and giving you a good review. So guys, that's it. That's all the goodies that I received and unboxed with you. The next couple of weeks are going to be crazy hectic. I've got a lot of weddings to attend, lots of family weddings. We're going to we're going to be doing a road trip all the way to Johannesburg. My sister's getting married and she's asked me to do her wedding makeup for her. And if you guys wanna see videos or blogs on that, please give me a comment below and tell me you wanna also see what's happening while the bride gets ready. And yeah, please like, share, comment, tell me what videos you want me to do for you, and I will gladly take the time to do that. So thank you guys for watching. So guys, I've got this new backdrop stand behind me, and it's a really inexpensive, what?
And easy to make.
It's really inexpensive and easy to make. And what else?
We made it out of PVC pipes.
So take two. So guys, I've got this backdrop stand behind me, which is really inexpensive to make. We made it from PVC pipes. And if you want to see how I've done this, please give me a comment below and I will show you how to do it.